In this tutorial, we will take a closer look at our multi-create feature. The multi-create feature lets you import multiple slides with just a few clicks. So let's start by going to our library and then let's upload an asset. For this example, I will be using a PowerPoint file just to show you how easy it is to import a file that was built in Microsoft PowerPoint. And the concept here would of course be the same if you were to upload a PDF file. So in the background, the system will be uploading the file, it will process the file, and in the end, it will save 4 PNG files that you can use wherever you want in multiple slides and multiple playlists. So now that we have our files in here, we can easily open them up and you will see that you now have a PNG file, not a PowerPoint file. The resolution of this file is HD quality, which is the same as the PowerPoint file itself. Now let's move into playlists, and for this example, let's create a new playlist. We're going to call this one multi-create. We will continue with a 16:9 aspect ratio, and let's hit create. Let's enter this new playlist, and instead of adding one image per slide, we are going to use the multi-create. So I will enter my assets, then I will pick the files that I want to create slides for, and in here you have two options actually. You can add these files to an existing slide, or you can add it so that the system automatically creates one slide per image, which is the create slide per asset. When doing this, you will see a pop-up giving you a few options. The first one is the duration of the slide. Then you have our transition. And if you move into advanced, you have two options. You can either scale to fit or you can scale to fill. Also, you can set the background color for your canvas. When you're done with your settings, you simply hit the create slides, and you can of course delete the first default slide you had in the playlist. So with these 4 slides, let's just preview it, and I hope this was helpful.